Hello students, today we will discuss about construction of a triangle given its base, a base angle and the difference of the other two sides. In the yesterday's video we have discussed about case number 1. In this video we will discuss about the next case. So as I told you in previous video, when AB is greater than AC, that means AB minus AC is given, we will use the construction of case number 1. Now discuss about case number 2 where AC is more than AB. The length of AC is more than AB, that means AC minus AB will be given. So let's check our example. Here is an example. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR, that is the base length, is equal to 6 cm. Angle Q is equal to 60 degree, that means base angle is equal to 60 degree, and PR minus QR is equal to 2 cm. Okay, as you can see here the triangle is PQR. Okay, this, if you draw a rough diagram, okay, this is P, Q and R, and as you can see here PR minus PQ is given, that means PR must be greater than to PQ. Okay, so for this type of question you will use second case of construction. So as you can see here is 5 steps to draw this particular triangle. Okay, so if you look at the diagram, okay, your diagram is looking like this diagram where this QR is 6 cm, this angle is 60 degree, and the difference of PR minus PQ is equal to 2 cm. Okay, if you look at the diagram very closely, you can see that the length of PR is obviously greater than to length of PQ. Okay, so with following this step we will construct this triangle in our copy. Now we will construct triangle PQR where QR is equal to 6 cm, angle Q equals to 60 degree and PR minus PQ is equal to 2 cm. So again we will draw a rough sketch at the left hand side. So suppose this is PQR triangle, this is PQR. This QR side have to be 6 cm, this angle have to be 60 degree from these conditions, and PR minus PQ is equal to 2 cm. That means the difference between this and this side is equal to 2 cm, and obviously PR have to be greater than PQ. Okay. So first of all I will take two line segments of length 6 cm and 2 cm. First of all I am taking the line segment of 6 cm. Now I will take the line segment of 2 cm. Okay, so this one is 6 cm, this one is 2 cm. Now I will take a arbitrary ray and I am marking one end point as Q. Okay, since the length of QR have to be 6 cm, I will take the measurement of this 6 cm. Okay, so this one is our 6 cm as you can see, and I will cut it from this Q point. So this point will be R. Now at the point Q I will draw 60 degree. You know how to draw 60 degree by compass. It is very easy. Just draw a semicircle without changing the radius. Cut it just once. This will be our intersecting point. Join it with Q. Okay, now for this construction you have to join these two points and you have to extend it in the downward. Okay, this. Okay, you have to extend it in the bottom side. Okay, suppose this end point is x. Okay, now you will take this 2 centimeter measurement. Okay, this 2 centimeter measurement, and you will cut it from this Q point in the bottom side. Okay, this is 2 centimeter. Mark this point as S. Okay, this is S point. Now join this S with R point. So I got the line segment SR. Now you will bisect this SR line segment. Take more than half of SR and bisect it. You know how to bisect it. Okay, so these are the point of intersections. Join these 2 points. Okay, as you can see, this bisecting line, this line intersecting this line at the point Q. Oh sorry, this bisecting line intersecting this line at this point. Okay, mark this point as P. Okay, mark this point as P. Now join this P with this R. Join this PR. Okay, so this is our required PQR triangle, where this QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Just verify it. Okay, it is 6 centimeter. This angle is 60 degree. Q angle is 60 degree. You can verify it also by protractor. Sorry. 60 degree. Okay, and now you have to verify that PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeter or not. First of all, I'll check the length of PR. As you can see, PR is 5.3. So right here PR is equal to 5.3 centimeter. Now I will check the measurement of PQ. PQ is 3.3. As you can see, PQ is 3.3. Okay, now if you subtract this PQ from PR, PR minus PQ will become 2 centimeter. That means our construction is absolutely correct. This PQR, that means this one is our required triangle. Okay, so in this way you have to construct this PQR triangle in our maths copy. So as you can see now, your diagram which you have drawn in your maths copy and this diagram is similar. They are similar. Okay, so when this type of question, you have to first of all check which side is greater than. Okay, that means AB minus AC is given or AC minus AB is given. You have to compare that it is case number 1 or case number 2. Then you have to start your construction. So this is all for today. Thank you.